na yung taong nangliit at nanglait kayo ay ang totoong nanay niya. Wala na akong masasabi. How can she accept me as her mother?
Sounds like you didn't have a rough time. Do you know the difference between you and Sess? Sess could hold Lilith. But you carry Lily in your heart, even though everything tells you that she's gone.
Spanky, what did I do? I left. I abandoned her. Because I wanted her. I had to protect myself. Tapos pagbalik ko, wala na siya. Pinagtagpo kami ulit. But what did I do?